before, I'm sure you saw the before. Now after, it looks a little bit more refreshed, and this can last me for 1 more month. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you how I refresh my 1 month old braid. Yes, so these are some rubber band braids. Of course, not all of the rubber bands, most of the rubber bands, like, they just popped and they fell out, and the only thing that is left is the braid and my natural hair. As you can see, the sides, or my edges, that area, it's very short, and some of the braids just fell out. So yeah, we have to refresh that. For the side part of my hair, I did like 3 braids right there. When I was doing it, I did 3 with my edge control. I am not going to put back the 3 braids in there. What I'm going to do, because I don't like to put tension on my hair, once I apply the braids at the initial stage, we don't do anything else to it. So what I'm going to do now is just twist the same old braid. Like, I have 3 of them, so just twist one of them, twist it, and yeah, and use the edge control to make sure that it is nice and flat. I'm not going to do anything with the edges because I don't like to put too much tension on my edges. When it comes to the front now, as you can tell, I'm going to take a piece of this hair because I had it laying around. It was the hair that I had from the installation that I did. If you haven't seen that video, go and check the link to the right of your screen. Rubber band twist with box braid twist, in a sense. I don't know what you say, what you call that, you know. Anyway, so I'm just going to use this method, is the Faux Loc method. So I am using little pieces of hair to just wrap around my hair, my natural braid, so that it can look neat, and then I'm just going to twist it. That's all. Get some edge control, apply it to my hair. I twist it. I don't know why I didn't show me twisting, like twist the hair like in a Faux Locs kind of sense way. And then I'm just going to wrap the hair, the braiding hair that the braiding hair that I had from what was left of the hairstyle. I'm just going to take that and wrap it around my hair at the roots where it's actually pulling out. And then I'm just going to twist it like regular twist. Yeah, so it's going to be like Faux Loc at the roots, and then I'm just going to take whatever hair is left and twist it around the braids that we'll have, and we're just going to repeat this. As you can see, wrap it around the hair, just simply, guys. It's super easy, and I don't even really want this video to be super long, but I'm just going to show you how I refresh it from the beginning to the end, right? And I just basically wrap it and twist. As you can see, again, edge control, apply it to my hair, I twist the hair, and then I apply the pieces of braiding hair around my braid, the loose braid, and wrap it to the wrap. I don't wrap it very long. I just wrap it to the point. What should I say now? I wrap it to the point where my hair is no longer loose, and then I twist it around the braid. See? Pretty simple, pretty easy. See? Wrapping it around where the braid actually stop. My natural hair is loose, and then we just twist it as usual. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So just sit back, relax, and watch me just, fix my hair. All right, I'll be back with you in a few minutes. Just sit back, relax, and watch. If you want to sit and relax and do your hair too, like refresh your braids, it's not gonna take long. Good 10 minutes. Wrap, do the little wrapping and whatever, edge control, you're good to go. If you want to go ahead and wash your hair before, like I didn't wash my hair before because I already washed my hair a week ago, and I don't like to wash my hair too often when I have braids, because I notice it's going to pull out very easy. So yeah, that's what I do. Basically twine it, as I said before. Use the hair, use the lock method, the Faux Loc method, and just wrap it around, and then twist the hair onto the braids. that's it. All right, so I'll be right back. Give me a few minutes. Let me just do this little part, and then I'm going to share with you another thing that I do a little later on. Give me a few minutes. Let me just do this and just sit with me and do your hair. If you are thinking about refreshing your hair, sit, relax, and do your hair also. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm back. Oh, as I was saying, what I was going to show you is instead of doing it one by one, you can just apply your edge control, twist the hair, and just put it down, and then after you can go in with the braiding hair to wrap it. What I usually do is this. I just put the edge control, twine it, and leave it. But I realize with this hairstyle, it's not going to stay. Like, it's not going to stay. No. It's not going to stay. So that's the reason why I opted for the Faux Loc method. Yeah. If I was wearing like box braids, then maybe I could just twine it like that and just rest it. Like the regular Faux Loc, when you're doing a natural hair Faux Loc, it would work. But for this kind of braid, or because of the twist, and it's not like it's not really very tight at the roots, and because the elastic bands popped and all of that, then we'll have to do something about it. It's something else that is more effective. So what I do with the rest of my hair, because I'm not really going to wear my hair in any specific style or whatever. If I want to style certain parts of my hair, I can refresh the areas where I want to actually part the hair. But I just want to wear my hair like this. As you can see right now, we're just touching it up and we're finishing it off. Basically just trying to twist my hair, and then I applied my edge control and a little bit of edges and so forth, just to make sure it looks nice. And that's pretty much it. So I'll be with you in a few minutes. Give me a minute. Okay guys, so this is the refreshed hair, and as I said before, I don't really do much to the side of my hair because I don't like to apply tension. Once I braid my hair and I apply the hair to it, and the hair, because the edges are a little bit shorter than everywhere else of the hair, so I basically just always use the edge control to sleek it, you know what I'm saying? And I don't really put a lot of tension here whenever the hair gets really old. Like once it passes one month, I start wearing a lot of center parts whenever I have braids, because right here of my hair is a little bit stronger. Like this is the strongest part of my hair. This is the strongest part of my hair. Usually the perimeters are very weak, so I like to wear, whenever the hair gets really old, I like to wear my braids like this. Sometimes I do take out like 2 little parts and put them to this side, or 2 little parts and put them to this side. But once the hair gets a little bit older, I just usually go with the center parts and then drop everything to the side, so I don't have any tension on the sides, right? And if the hair on the side, if it falls out or drops out or whatever, I do not do anything much to it. All I do is just use the edge control to brush it in and so forth. So usually I have to just do the middle part, like refresh it. So this is not what I always do. I usually just use the braid and the edge control and twine it, but I realized that when I did it, it wasn't staying. So that's the reason why I opted to use the little pieces of hair to just wrap it around. And I always see my sister. My sister did this the last time I did my hair. She just used the braiding hair to wrap it around and refresh the roots, and it looked really nice. So this is how I refresh my braids or twist or whatever you want to call it. So before, I'm sure you saw the before. Now after, it looks a little bit more refreshed, and this can last me for 1 more month. All right, yes, this can last me until June, middle of June, end of June, till I pull it out again. Yeah, because I'm not gonna pull it out for now. So yeah, so this is how I refresh my hair. And if I decide that I want to do it a little bit more over, like 2 more rows, I just refresh the row that I want to do with the same twist. And this is pretty easy to pull out, like it's not, because it's just basically wrapped around and twist. So I just have to find where it was twist and unravel it, and then automatically it will pull from here, and then I just pull up my braids as usual. And yeah, and see, we're nice and fresh again. Hope you enjoyed this little quick DIY thingy, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.